Okay, folks, we are here today to talk about something really important for those who are thinking about starting a business. It's this common confusion people often have between a tax ID and an EIN. Before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. You see, when you are just at the threshold of launching your business, the terminology can sometimes seem a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, we at legalregistration.com are here to untangle the complexities for you. So, here we go. When we talk about a tax ID, we are referring to a general term that could mean any kind of identification number used by the Internal Revenue Service to track taxpayers. Essentially, a tax ID can be seen as an umbrella term. Now, under this big umbrella falls EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. EIN is a 9-digit number issued by the IRS to identify a business entity. It's like a social security number, but for your business. It's a more specific term that falls under the category of tax IDs. But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that over 600,000 new businesses are started in the US each year? That's a lot of businesses needing their unique identifiers to operate legally and responsibly. Now, let's talk about how we fit into this scenario. At our organization, we take pride in being the #1 third-party company that makes getting a tax ID or EIN as easy and fast as possible. In fact, it's often noted that we can get these crucial identification numbers to you a lot faster than the government. And in the spirit of sharing some more interesting statistics with you, it's estimated that around 90% of business information consists of unstructured data. It can feel like wading through a swamp, right? But don't worry, our efficient processes help streamline this for you, so you don't have to get bogged down with unnecessary delays. We've helped countless entrepreneurs like you to get started on the right foot. By choosing us, you can save time and energy, focusing on what truly matters, making your business thrive. To get a tax ID or EIN today, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why so many businesses need this type of registration? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business information designed to save you money and time.